Okay, the reverse bay park. So this is a bit different when we position ourselves, because when we turn the wheel, the car will swing out. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to try and stay more central. If it's a two-way road, then just go slightly over the line, only at the point that you're going to reverse. But here you can see I can be a bit more central because it's a one-way system. So we're going to pause in the center, or slightly left of center. And what we're looking for this time is another reference point that works for us in the vehicle we're in. In this vehicle, if I put my hand on my steering wheel like this and put my elbow out, I can line up the white line to my elbow, and when it's around that point, I know I'm going to end up in 3 bays back, this being bay 1, 2, 3. I'm going to end up in 3 bays back from the bay that I'm in. So I put the handbrake on, select reverse, and I full lock the wheel to the direction that I want to go. So I want to go to the right, so I full locked to the right. Do a quick check round and start reversing. Again, I'm moving the camera very slowly because I don't want to make everyone feel sick, so you can do that a lot quicker. Now as I'm coming backwards, in this mirror here, I can see on the floor the white line that I need to be next to in this mirror. Now on the right hand side, on the left hand side, I should be able to see the line that's going to end up down the side of the vehicle. Ah, there it is there, look. You see it? Just there. So now I'm going to go very slowly backwards. This is looking on track, but I can see in this side, I'm closer. So I'm just taking a little bit of turn off to just tweak. And this is the thing, you have to tweak the maneuver as you go. And as it's starting to look straight now, I'm starting to straighten the wheel up. Again, another quick check over the blind spot until I feel like my vehicle is in the square. And now when the line is straight, the wheel is straight. Checking round, coming back and pausing the vehicle when I feel like I'm in the middle, which is about there. Now in this car, I can tell I'm roughly in the middle by the curb coming slightly under the door mirror there, and by visually looking at over the right side there at where the line is in relation to the car. Now, it's really important on the maneuver that you appreciate that you can correct a maneuver. So if at this point I didn't get my car perfectly in the bay and I wasn't sure that I was in the lines, it's okay to drive the car forwards. So what I would do, let's say I wanted to be more to the right. So I'll go right up to the line just to prove this. I would look round and I would turn to the right, and then I would turn back to the left. Watch what happens in this mirror when I do that. Can you see how I've got closer to the line? As soon as the line's straight, straighten the wheel, go forward slowly. Okay, and then pause, and then back into reverse. So I've obviously made that a little bit closer to the line on the right, but what you would be doing is you would be making sure that you're more in the center of the bay. Now this would still be a pass because the criteria for the test is to get the car in the square. It doesn't matter if your wheel is really close to or touching the white line, as long as it is not out of the bay over the white line. And that goes for both sides of the vehicle.